uses of vinegar that few people know. 1. You can remove wrinkles from clothes without the need for an iron. Just pour vinegar and water into a container and spray the clothes with this. 2. Remove the difficult stains from the burnt pots by adding a cup of vinegar with water and boiling. It will be new. 3. When the glasses are dirty, spray with vinegar, then dry with a towel, and they will be shiny. 4. If you have flies in your house, fill a cup with vinegar and cover with plastic wrap. Make holes with a knife and it will catch the flies. 5. If you spray the clothes with vinegar after washing, it will prevent the sun's rays from wearing the color. 6. If you pour vinegar on your feet along with warm water and leave it for 15 minutes, it will remove the hardness and fungi from them.